Is spitting on someone considered to be an assault in Canada under our criminal code? That's a great question. Well, first of all, under Section 265 of the Criminal Code, any intentional application of force on someone else without their consent is an assault. So just by definition, spitting is definitely an assault. And this becomes particularly concerning or vexatious or pernicious, whatever word you want to use, especially during the COVID pandemic, because there was a lot of these incidents where people were threatening to spit on someone or threatening to cough on someone. Coughing, by the way, intentionally on someone, that's an intentional application of force as well. And it's a really, I mean, a lot of people would prefer to be almost punched in the face rather than spit on. It's a very disrespectful offense, and especially if someone's got a disease and they're threatening to spit on you or cough on you, or they have COVID. It happened a lot, and this happened a lot, a fair amount to the police and other people during the pandemic, so it became quite concerning. And look at it this way, under the criminal code, under Section 266, if the Crown elects summarily, a person can face up to a 2-year less a day sentence or up to a $5,000 fine. Now, would someone really face a jail term for spitting? Well, you could if you have COVID and you're doing this in this context of intentionally coughing or spitting on someone. But in most instances, it's considered on the more minor end of the scale, and you might even avoid a criminal record. Obviously, tempers got flared. But look at it this way: if you spit on someone, you can appreciate. It's not the nice thing to do, and you can appreciate a pretty severe reaction. A lot of people would feel very disrespected and start punching you or attacking you back. So it became very more prevalent during COVID. I recall reading a lot of articles about it. I recall a police officer, or many police officers, who were spit on or threatened to be coughed on, and this was going on. So the short answer, yes, coughing and spitting intentionally on someone is an intentional application of force, and there's no question that a charge could be laid, and the Crowns were taking these types of charges seriously in terms of disrespect towards people, and in terms of potentially someone having a disease that they're intentionally spread. But that intent, it would have to be proven. I mean, the person could precede the spitting by saying, yeah, I've got COVID, I'm gonna do this, and it turns out they have COVID. Well, that's pretty concerning, isn't it? Or coughing as well, or some other communicable disease. Thank you for watching our video. We are absolutely committed to bringing you the best possible criminal and DUI educational videos. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you've been charged with a criminal offense in Ontario and require our services, please click on the link in the description below.